Nice, single 18. So is this ported on the...
It's ported on this side.
All right. There you go. So you built the box?
Yeah.
Very nice. How you doing, man? Jacob here.
Yeah, I watch YouTube videos.
Okay. Could you tell me your name and what's in here?
I'm Austin. I got an SA18 on a JP23 at 1 ohm.
Okay. Nice. Is this at 1 ohm? Okay.
Yeah.
Did you do the install?
Not the main amp install. I swapped amps out a couple times.
Okay.
And I built the box in my time.
Nice. All right. And you is just a red top in the back. Do you have an upgraded alternator? Stock alternator? Okay.
I got a red top up front as well.
Red top also. All right. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
I want to switch it up somehow. I don't know what though.
You what?
I want to switch it up somehow, but I don't
Oh,
know
yeah?
what I'm going to do next.
Switch it up. Have you tried facing this box the other way? And maybe put the sub and battery and amp behind it and then push it forward?
Well, that's as much wire as I got now, running from the front.
Okay, got it. Yes, sir.
So I'm limited on wire right now.
Yes, sir.
I'll show you the back.
Yeah, can I see the back? Awesome. Thanks for watching, everyone. Subscribe if you haven't. And we're about to check out the back here. Give it a like for him. Nice, single 18. So is this ported on the...
It's ported on this side.
All right. There you go. So you built the box?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Let's do it together one afternoon.
What's the tuning on it? Do you know?
34.
34 hertz?
Ford area, I'm not sure.
Do you know the spot, like how big it was? Around 5-6 cubes?
It was 4.8, I believe.
4.8, okay. Very nice, man. Looks good.
Yeah.
I like it.
Appreciate it.
And you're louder with the seats down too, I'm sure. Yeah.
Definitely.
You too. I was gonna say, I want to see the amp real quick. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around. We got an Austin single 18-inch sub in his trunk of his car at the Sundown Audio Show in North Carolina. If you haven't already, give him a thumbs up. Did a good job. This is a 2,300 watt RMS amp. I was checking out. Pretty cool to see the unique style that he did. Pretty much a daily driver, I'm going to assume this is. And the way he fit this box utilizing a single 18 in the trunk. Most people would do a 15 or two 12s, but he made it work with the single 18. And having the port on the left side behind the driver seems to be most optimal for most trunk systems, unless you're going with the trunk wall. So anybody looking at a system like this, if you have any kind of really good experience, let us know in the comments a detailed explanation of why port location is critical for what you just said. I always thought port on the side, sub up was best. And the box placement pushing it all the way back looked like it was the loudest during this demo. You never know, opening the trunk as well sometimes is louder during the demo. So 18-inch subwoofer system on 2,500 watts roughly before rise in voltage drop. Probably a 1,500 watt RMS going to that sub during this demo. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for daily videos coming your way every day on YouTube, JacobViral, and enjoy.
If you
I want to switch it up somehow. I don't know what though.
You what?
I want to switch it up somehow, but I don't
Oh,
know
yeah?
what I'm gonna do next.
Switch it up. Have you tried facing this box the other way? And maybe put the sub and battery and amp behind it and then push it forward?
Well, that's as much wire as I got now, running from the front.
Okay, got it. Yes, sir.
So I'm limited on wire right now.
Yes, sir. Anyway, appreciate it, man. What was your name?
Austin.
Austin. Thanks, Austin.
Have a good one.
You too.